find the eigenvalue, eigenvector, and normalize eigenvectors. Okay.
How big is already attached? I'm not sure.
I think Robert,
Is that possible?
did you finish all the work? Here's the eigenvector.
Yeah.
Eigenvector.
I think it's 5 over 4.
Yes, yes, yes. Great. So 3.
Is 5 over 4?
Oh yeah, great.
Oh, you did 4 is 2. I simplified mine down to 2.
Yes.
That, yeah, okay. And then,
I mean, even if you do simplify it down to 1, shouldn't it
Yes.
be-
Oh, good.
end up being-
Yes.
Something.
Yes, augmented matrix,
Yeah.
and what we use.
I mean, I
it's
guess,
still not the same thing. But,
yeah, I guess I could have just made that 1 and made that 2.
I think do that.
Like P to 4 I normalize it?
Sure.
Yeah, I have this, no, I have the exact, I have 3 on the left, 8 on the right. You have 8 on the left, 3 on the right, 3 on the Where's your D?
Oh, yeah, 8 on the left.
Right, so
Yeah, I have
it's fine,
seven.
eigenvalue, eigenvector,
-1,
and
2. I have the same P as you just swapped.
right.
Because my data were swapped.
Jay, what are you doing?
But I got my P the same as this. Oh, yours wouldn't be because what yours isn't diagonal. If you put the 3 on the left, P becomes diagonally symmetrical.
Really?
Yeah, because the -1 doesn't move. They just are P and P are equal, right?
Oh, it's come on, it's looking cool.
Yeah, that's the meant for the picture.
Oh, okay. Good, good.
Yeah, if your P is on the left, because if your 3 is on the left, then the -1 stays there and doesn't move. And you have 2, 5, 4, 5,
Jose, what are you doing?
So something back here needs to
Storage spot.
Huh?
Storage spot.
Well, Christian, how you
Dude, I'm a little sleepy.
They're using Acer.
I know.
It's supposed to be. Yeah. You just put in a battery and I think people will just.
Very,
very
rough couple weeks.
Natural.
Sorry, I was.
It's okay. Do you have any plan for the breaks?
Yeah, no, I just don't like I'm homeless.
He's all around.
Yeah, 'cause my apartment like they keep this.
Oh.
Like,
There's a green one right there.
Ended on Monday.
Right.
He sent it like Monday at like 10. So we had
Then
to-
after you take the exam, can you go home? Right?
Yeah, but I have to stay here till. But it's I have to stay here till
Well, yeah,
till the
but
exam.
Yeah, but the
But
exam
I-
is last day, right? 29.
Yeah, Monday.
Okay, so you have no problem.
Yeah, no.
Good, yeah.
Sorry, it's just because I haven't been coming to class.
It's okay. You've been preparing like moving stuff. Right?
Yeah.
Hexagons.
It took like all weekend and
Oh,
then Monday
right.
too. And
I
then
understand.
like I tried to take down like some like stuff I put on the wall
Mhm.
and it like ripped off like a bunch of paint on the wall,
Mhm.
like the tape, so I
Yeah,
could go and
see, it's the
like
same thing.
patch it up and paint it. Yeah, Monday was rough.
Alright.
Monday was rough.
Bro, just hopped there at the last second.
He just knew it. He took one look and he just knew it.
Yeah, I told you.
I'm
That proves you need to give him a hard
He's
test.
fine.
He gets a hard test now.
He's 5.0. That's crazy.
Okay, good.
What about Pete first?
Yeah, it's Oh, okay.
You guys figure out? Okay, once you find the eigenvectors, you will normalize it. Right? Okay, don't forget normalize it. Okay, so I decided not to give you 3 by 3, so it'll be 2 by 2, and you have to find everything like eigenvalue, eigenvectors, and orthonormal eigenvectors,
Oh
and
no.
then find P and D.
But what if it's, what if
So basically, the structure is the do you guys remember the last example, last question of previous exam?
Nope.
Maybe, oh, you mean like.
Yeah, finding eigenvalue, eigenvector.
Yeah.
Oh, the one that was
Yeah.
like, yeah.
Like
Yeah.
part of it.
Yeah,
So the last part, instead of verifying P and D, I asked you find the P inverse, which is the little bit transpose. If your orthogonal bases are correct. Okay. Okay, so next question. Least scared. Where is it? Now, before we do least scared, let's try this. Solve this, guys. Yeah, on Canvas, you can see the formula sheet that I'm going to offer. Like these threes are given. Okay. So for finding y hat based on the orthogonal basis that you have, or also the Gramsci. And then what is the? I mean this is not exactly for this scale, but for this particular problem that I just asked. What is this?
That's a projection.
Yeah. So now I want let's say I give you this x, not this. Let's say I give you these 4 points. And our goal is finding betas, right? Beta 0 and beta 1. And what is the formula? The formula is this.
Yes.
If you want to find, if you want to use inverse, 2 by 2, finding 2 by 2 and the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix is not that hard. You should know. And you can use this. So basically, the beta is x inverse xt y. So this is indirect hint for you to use finding beta. Okay. Okay. Let's try this first. Oh, instead of this data point, I give you new point. Okay, let's verify. What betas you want to use? Give me some value. Let's say 3x and plus 5. If you have data point passing through these betas, when one is next is 1, what will be y? The numbers should be, let's say 5, 2, what is it? 8, well, 3. Hmm? What is it? 11.
Oh, wait, I thought you were looking for when x was equal to
It says 3, yes. When x is 3, what is it? Y. 11? Okay. What about 4?
18, 14.
14? Okay. So these are so let's say when 1 is 6, 2 is 4 is 13. Let's try this. Maybe number is too big. Okay, then let's find out the x. What is x should be? The matrix x. What?
1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4.
1, 1, 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, right? What about y?
6, 7, 12, 13.
Okay. So once you find x and y, you can use this formula. Okay. Find the beta. Okay, you could use inverse of this. Alright. Find the inverse, right? But our number is a little bit different. Like you can use the inverse. You can use inverse. You can use inverse to find the beta. In this case, it has x happen. In the least scared problem, we use beta. Okay. Maybe it takes longer. The exam I use 3 points. That's easier. Okay. Let's skip this. But practice this. Literally copy paste, changing the data. Okay. Okay, example 1. How do you solve this? Graham-Schmidt, yes. based on this, you project this and subtract like this. It's simple. Also this. I didn't ask you. Okay, try this, guys. I asked this. Exam, you'll see this. Number may change or maybe not. There are 6 total questions. First one, true false, 10 true false questions, and 5 free answer questions. Okay?
Out of those, how much is from previous exams?
Only true false. Oh yeah, you didn't count bar. Yeah. So I decided not to assign the extra credit more regarding the previous exams because I decided to use the previous exam only for true false.
I started recording already.
Huh?
I started recording.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, so,
Intrusive. Yeah. But anyway, so true false, only true false. Yeah, it's final exam. Yes.
so what problems are like what chapters are there gonna be?
True false. So yeah.
No, but like
For true false
no, like so.
total.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
Like, is it gonna be like?
Yeah, only.
cumulative, or is it gonna?
Yeah. Chapter 6 and chapter 7.
Just chapter 6 and chapter 7.
Yes. For the free answer question, yes. So
Oh.
there are 6 questions. The first true false.
Mhm.
That is cumulative, and the other 5 are only from chapter 6.1 to 6.6 or 7.
And are you gonna upload like the problems that we've been like reviewing?
Yes, there is. So if you go on Canvas,
Oh, okay.
review first one, and then review day 2, and just basically everything.
Okay, cool.
And then true false, I made it for you.
Okay, thank you.
So exam 1, a little copy paste, but I'm not gonna show the answer. You should know it. You should try it. True false. Exam 2, true false. and
Wait, what if
exam
we're
3.
studying the wrong answers?
I mean, those are from if you go review.
There's 40 negative.
If you go review previous reviews, and you will see the true false questions. You're like, yeah, you can find it.
Okay.
If you still cannot figure out email, then I will give you answer.
Okay.
If you look at your email with when it sends your test back, it tells you like which true, false, or right, or wrong.
Yeah,
Oh, it
yeah.
does?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Have you not checked it?
Well, I did, but I didn't know that you could see that.
Yeah, because it tells you which one you missed. and which one.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
explained why you wrong. Why.
Okay,
you
then,
wrong.
okay.
Anyway, so for exam 3, for the new material, you only need to know these 4 things.
Oh, you're trying to create a.
Thanks for putting it all together. now.
Oh yeah.
I'll make like flashcards.
Are you doing
No, I just put it in the wrong bag.
Good.
The first ratio is 9 to 30. I do? I do. I think you used to.
Yeah, exactly.
I used to have I used to have a. I used to have a. I used to. No, you went, ew, that's gross. I mean,
At least I didn't say it philosophy.
So your favorite was
About it.
Oh.
I can't imagine no other way.
What is happening?
Sweet child, you don't need to know. Okay. You're the only one I know. Send it in a way that it makes.
Okay, Garrison, why we don't use Gram-Schmidt?
Because it's not precise.
Yeah, just looking at having 3 vector doesn't mean that you have to do Gram-Schmidt. Good. Now you practice. In the exam, you make.
Well, we got y hat, y hat is correct. Now we have to find the error of y hat.
Chris, did you get it?
Yeah, I got the same thing as Justin, so I put it out there. Justin, go find the error. What's the error of y hat?
Ooh, looks like I did. Is it Samsung?
Square root of
Oh,
y.
why? Oh,
Squared plus
So you can use left hand also.
0 plus
Like 10.
8 over 3.
Okay, so once you have y hat,
Yeah.
so okay, look at this problem. Don't be confused. Okay, so you read this. This question basically asks you, hey, find the closest point in W to Y. Okay? And that is y hat. And that's the result after you adding all this. Okay? So now, next question. Next question. Look at this. So the answer is the same, but what is asking is different. I mean, the formula that you're using is same, but the answer you have to give me are different. So here, write y as sum of a vector in W and a vector or sum of the W. What do you have to do? Solve this guy. Right? And after, I mean, you already got the answer, but what is the difference? Tell me the answer. Tell me the difference.
Makes sense.
The last one's the projection of W, this one's the combination of Y hat plus the error, right?
Yes. I mean, yeah, we had the same answer. But, okay, so the interpreting the answer at the interpreting this is different from this. So this is U1. Next vector is U2, and then you get the scalar, right? And then you get the scalar. So what it means is, if you scale U1, also if you scale U2, and add them all, and that will be the projection of y onto the space that I have. So the answer that I want here is this. Okay? So I want to see the scalar. Okay, because you have to write as the sum of a vector. Okay? Yes?
I think it's asking for y equals y hat plus c.
Oh, yeah,
That's
you're
for a
right.
vector column.
Oh yeah, you're right. Oh, you're right. Oh yes, you're right. Oh, yeah, I totally misunderstood. Thank you, Joseph. Exactly. Yes, sir. I misunderstood. Yes. Okay. Yeah. This problem asks you find this y hat and find the error. This error, and then express y as y hat plus this error. Sorry. I was thinking the other problem, like, you can get this two vector, and then the addition of that is addition of this is this vector, but don't worry about it. So for this problem, as Joseph said, we got y hat and y minus y hat. If we add these two, and that should be matching with the original y. Okay, sorry guys, I made a mistake. Sorry. Okay, so what I want is for this problem, I want something plus something, and that this should be equal to y. And the first one should be y hat. So this one should be y hat, and this one should be y minus y hat. Okay? Okay, so next one. Let's look at the 7.2. So I'll ask something like this. I may have size 4 or 5, but I want you to find this. Find how many variables you should use, and also the size of this, and this matrix should be matching with the coefficient here. Okay? Quite easy problem, right? Any question regarding any question regarding the exam?
What's your favorite question?
How do you solve it?
Let's see. My favorite question is, you're asking me hard one or easy one?
Just your favorite.
Both. Your opinion.
In my opinion,
I'll prefer your response one, not the true or false. Or you could tell us it's true or false.
Just tell us that.
Just tell us.
Just go through the details.
What's your favorite true or false question? Read it out loud.
Conceptually, which one do you like the best? You can have multiple answers.
I like, this will show for sure. If U is orthonormal column, then transpose times the original one is identical. And the given matrix is symmetric, then any two eigenvectors from different eigenspaces are orthogonal. What does this mean? I guess I cannot write anything because my evidence just got broken. Let me see if I can write.
Oh, like the tip?
Yeah, I'll just like that. I have to take that. Got it. Okay, so. Okay, so what does it mean? You have symmetric matrix, like the
You have
first
an
problem.
matrix, it has n number of eigenvalues, they'll all be orthogonal, but you have fewer eigenvalues than the dimensions of the matrix. Any higher multiplicity eigenvalue will not have orthogonal.
Okay, good. Perfect answer. Okay, thank you. That, so meaning, what is it? What was the first matrix that we solved? What was it? 4, 7, or what was it? Yeah, that one is. Yeah, I can find it.
7224.
Yeah, 7224, yes. 7224, and then what eigenvalues did you get? 3 and 8, right? Meaning you have two different eigenvalues, meaning if you find eigenvectors corresponding to each eigenvectors, those eigenspaces are not different, right? Are different. So eigenspace for each eigenvectors are different. Therefore, whatever eigenvector you extract from each of them, you have orthogonal eigenvector. Okay? But not normalized. You have to find normal eigenvector from the eigenspaces. Okay? So, yeah, it's like, what is chance of getting the problem? Because you'll see all of this. Because I'm gonna use three true false questions from the first exam, and 3 from the second exam, and 4 total 10. Right? And then, yeah, the problems that I emphasize are highly likely on the exam today, the upcoming Monday. Any questions? Okay, so you can call it a day, and I want to take a picture before you all go.
Picture.
Yeah, because I want to take